Is it going? Okay, yeah, it's going. Shut up. My friend's making fun of me not to talk to the camera. Okay, this is NDK, and these are all the awesome balconies. There's random people. Yeah, there's stuff. Oh, look, there's an Anon mask. That balcony looks tasty. Halloween Town. That's exciting. I don't know, there's a lot of awesome people here, and there's a really awesome Spirited Away balcony. Where is it? Right there. That's awesome. I think that's the best one. Oh, look, there's a Nyan Cat one. Oh, it's so exciting. Oh, this is so exciting. This is my friend James, dressed as James. Yes. That's my friend Mina, dressed as herself. And this is me as Umbreon.
Exactly.
There, my tail. And my ears, I made them myself. Okay, I'm done. Bye.